Marhaba. Assalamualaikum. Kabayan, kapuso, kapamilya. By the way, my name is Ali.
My name is Jackie.
And we are from Elite Covers.
Alright.
Alright. Assalamualaikum, sir.
السلام
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Omar Al Jahtali. I'm the general manager of the CityLink Cargo National.
Okay. And
Yes, sir.
I'm Mr. Jesse Turla, the sales representative here in CityLink Cargo.
Okay, sir. This question is for both of you. Can you describe your description of work here in CityLink?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone from Muslim community, and magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. Dito po sa CityLink Cargo ay nagbibigay po kami ng mga serbisyo na sea cargo and air cargo. Sa mga kababayan ko po na nahihirapan po sila na makipag-communicate sa mga regarding po sa mga cargo nila, pwede po nyo akong tawagan personally dito po sa number na nandito sa CityLink Cargo. Tapos po ako po ang magtutulong sa inyo para mapabagahe po yung mga cargo nyo pa Pilipinas, at tulungan ko din po kayo na mai-arrange kung kailangan nyo mag-sea cargo o mag-air cargo, kung ano yung pangangailangan po ng ating mga kliyente.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will speak in English first.
Yes, yes.
Okay. First of all, Mr. Omar Al Jahdali is talking. I'm supervisor here. I serve all the cargo shipment from door to door. So we invite you guys to come and take this service. Personally, supervise all of the shipment, and don't worry, your shipment is safe.
yes.
All right. This question is for you both also. So, sir, what the Filipino people can expect to CityLink?
I speak in Tagalog.
Yes.
To make it easier understand from all kabayan. Mga kabayan, si CityLink Cargo kasi unang-una sa lahat, meron kaming sariling bodega, meron kaming sariling container, at si CityLink Cargo, mga kababayan, ay 40 years na in business in international cargo. To be honest, we are in the business in international cargo for 40 years. Dahil ang CityLink Cargo ay malapit sa puso sa mga Pilipino, we decided to take also the opportunity to take the cargo of all Filipino cargo and air and sea cargo. So, sa mga kababayan ko, ibibigay po namin yung best na makakaya namin na mabigyan kayo ng 101% na serbisyo na tapat at may pagmamahal sa cargo.
Wow. You, sir.
Okay, sir.
Again, what's the question?
What the Filipino can expect to CityLink?
Okay, first of all, Filipino guys is a part of the community, so we are waiting for them to come and try our services. Believe me, I have all the staff here. Everyone is working. Mr. Jesse also, he supervises it, tamam. So don't worry, just come.
Yes, come here.
Okay, sir. What the difference of CityLink to the other cargo?
Actually, in this business, ang CityLink Cargo kasi, like I said, we are in the 40 years in business in international cargo. We have proven already, we have proved that we are in the business for long time. Yun yung masasabi ko na talaga na may pagmamalaki namin na 40 years na kami in business in international, at garantisado na talagang makakarating to sa Pilipinas na maayos at safe.
Okay.
I'm not adding anything more, but really, I trusted on Jesse, I trusted the Filipino guys. So inshallah, we are waiting for them.
Okay.
Okay. What is the lowest and the highest cargo padala fees here in CityLink?
Actually, sir, as you can see now, sa Manila rate po natin, mga kababayan, only 89 SR, yung small box natin, maa-avail nyo na po. Only 89 SR. Tsaka po, pag mag-extra large naman po kayo, for Manila is only 249, and also the drum is 249 SR only po. Sa ganung halaga lang. At yung mga kababayan naman natin na sa Visayas at Mindanao po, ang binibigay po naming serbisyo na small box po is 165 sa Mindanao at 155 sa Visayas. Ang XL box naman po namin ay 285 sa Bisaya, at ang XL box naman po sa Mindanao is 325. Yun po.
Yan.
Grabe, ang ganda pala ng CityLink. Kaya, guys, kung kayo ay gusto magpadala ng pakargo patungo sa Pilipinas, at hindi lang Pilipinas yan, internationally. May Bangladesh, may Pakistan, India, and all over the world. Alam nyo guys, CityLink is an door-to-the-world cargo services. Abot kayang halaga handog para sa mga Pilipino. By the way, maraming salamat po, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for this interview, for your time. And I hope that all Filipino people, especially here in Jeddah, and all over the Jeddah, they will send their cargo through CityLink. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? I-CityLink na yan! Basta cargo. By the way, my name is Ali.
And my name
And let's covers!